say you don't want me, but I'm exactly what you deserve. So for the last time, I am not corrupt.
It's easy for you to talk rubbish. I am not corrupt, yet you are super rich. I no blame you now. I know so I no get shame. That's why you fit set mouth to find who to blame. You remember Mama Emeka, the one who stood for you? She died of a heart attack because of you. She lost her source of livelihood all because of you. You even chased her with task force, Mopol, and even SARS too. No selling by the roadside, no this, no that. That woman died in many ways than I can even count. Her first son died because your hospitals are nothing but morgues. They wouldn't touch him unless she greased pounds. Her daughter was shot the day your boy stopped her boss. But your people didn't care. Oga must get returns. And just like that, a graduate was dispatched to meet her God. Why you can't pretend like say you really care? Yes! We supported, voted, and put you in that chair. We ate rice, tied wrapper, but what we for do? When we know say that every 4 years you go remember say we be your people too. If only you tell Mama Emeka say, the future where you promise no go reach am at all. Say you go break a small shop to make way for big mall. Say the house so she swears build better pass for tree and grass. And the fine road where you promise, we know they see and pass. You said you didn't steal taxes? But what about the oil revenue? You squandered the wealth we're all entitled to, then ship your children abroad, bring them back with private jet for reserved cushy jobs. But me and my son, we dey hear the hustle. They pray to Baba God for our daily bread and that our sons don't end up dead. So I beg, don't they preach what no make sense. We are all in this because you sold your soul, while we sell our votes for the monies you stole. How you go beat Pikin, tell and say make you no cry? So let's be clear. Me too, I am not corrupt.